The Australian Defence Force will be brought in to assist Tasmanian aged care facilities after a number of COVID-19 outbreaks. Key points: 3 Tasmanian aged care homes will get help from the ADF. 3 Tasmanian aged care homes will get help from the ADF. The Health Minister has not named the homes, but says ADF personnel will provide general, not clinical support. The Health Minister has not named the homes, but says ADF personnel will provide general, not clinical support. There are also COVID outbreaks at 7 schools in Tasmania. Deputy Premier and Health Minister Jeremy Rockliff said there were outbreaks at 5 aged care facilities across the state. 3 of those will be supported by the ADF. Mr. Rockliff said the ADF would provide general support to the facilities, but did not name which aged care homes. They will be providing general support, not clinical, and this is out of an abundance of caution, Mr. Rockliff said. We've been working alongside the Commonwealth in relation to these outbreaks, and they will be providing 3 of these facilities, with a small number of ADF staff for up to a week. They will work with the respective aged care facilities on the support and the general support that they need. There have been 167 COVID cases among residents in Tasmanian aged care homes and 6 deaths, according to Federal Department of Health data. Department records from February 10th showed that of current, active outbreaks, St Anne's in Hobart was the worst affected residential aged care home. There were 42 cases at the home, 26 in residents, 16 in staff. There were also 2 deaths. The figures are updated by the Federal Department every Friday. Across the state, Tasmania has recorded 513 new coronavirus cases in the latest reporting period, up from 408 yesterday. A total of 10 people with COVID-19 are in hospital, with 7 patients being treated specifically for coronavirus symptoms. There is 1 person in ICU, which has been the case for more than a week. There have been 10 deaths linked to COVID-19 since the state's borders reopened to hotspots in December last year. Outbreaks in 7 schools. The state government said there were also COVID outbreaks at 7 schools across Tasmania, in the public, private and Catholic sectors. 2 of the schools are located in the south, with 5 in the north and northwest, including a boarding school. Under national guidelines, classmates are only considered close contacts if 5 or more students test positive. Mr. Rockliff said in the public sector, 57 teachers remained unvaccinated, down from 61. My understanding is that we have 98.9% of teachers vaccinated within our public schools, he said. Space to play or pause, M to mute, left and right arrows to seek, up and down arrows for volume. Watch duration, 2 minutes 3 seconds 2 minutes and 3 seconds. Data shows many older Australians haven't had their booster.